All right, hello. Okay, we are gonna go on a little adventure today. So it is 4:30 right now, and it's a beautiful day. It's very sunny and actually a little bit warm. So very big surprise. It's been freezing, and if it's not been freezing, it's been super cloudy. So just not great weather for, seeing sights around the city or getting a nice sunset. So, with that in mind, I think today is going to be a good day for a bike ride, and hopefully we'll catch a beautiful sunset on the Han River. So, I'm going to get ready, and then we're going to get on the train. I just actually moved recently, so I'm closer to Hongdae now. So, we're going to get on the train there, and then we are going down to Dongsan, and from there we're going to rent a bike. So, let's go. Alright, so we are taking line 2 right now, which loops around Seoul. We're going to get off at Dongsan Station after we cross over the Han, and from there we're going to rent a bike for a couple of hours. There's a super simple app to use called Seoul Bike, where you can rent a bike near you for either an hour, 2 hours, or a full day. All you really need to do is make your reservation on the app and then head down to a pickup spot. Then you can scan the QR code on the back of a bike, which unlocks it right away. I remember there was a biking system like this in Boston, but you had to put down an insane deposit just to rent a bike. But here, it's really simple. You just need to pay for the amount of time that you're using. I actually had to go back and film this because I was caught up with unlocking the bike and basically forgot all about recording, which was the main point of doing this in the first place. Whoopsies. This is the bike trail that goes through Yeouido and connects onto the Han River Park. Biking in the city can sometimes be like chancing death, so this is a nice way to get some exercise away from the traffic and cab drivers. There's a superstition about the Han River since it has a pretty grisly history. Because so many people have died in this area, it's believed that their ghosts still haunt the water. And there's a saying that if you get too close, a ghost will actually drag you in. Now we're gonna head over to have some dinner at Noryangjin market. That's the most popular fish market in Seoul, and we'll see probably lots of people there. So we're gonna go head over now and try to sample a lot of different fish. made it to the market. So this one right off the bat is huge. This is actually the first time that I've ever been to this market, and I was really surprised by how long the aisles are and just the absolute variety of different things. I mean, there are certainly some fish and some types of seafood that I've never seen before. So I'm really excited to try some of these things out and excited to have some fresh sashimi. So let's go. The energy of the traditional fish markets here are really cool. There are always sellers yelling about their product quality and buyers haggling on the price. It reminds me a bit of giant flea markets I used to walk through in summer. Massachusetts actually has this huge market that seems like it goes on for miles. You can honestly spend hours there, and people really go there with empty pickup trucks and fill them. I feel like you can learn a lot about a country by experiencing its markets. So this is an appetizer of raw abalone and sea urchin. I'm unwrapping a big platter of mixed sashimi as well. Usually fish is dipped into soy sauce and wasabi or chojang, which is similar to gochujang, the spicy paste made out of red pepper. This is maeontong, a spicy fish stew with vegetables. It's delicious and super spicy. Normally I like spicy foods, but this I wasn't quite ready for. It's really tasty to have with rice though, and super filling. I ate this last and felt like someone would have to roll me out of the market. For drinks, we're having a unique Korean alcohol called sansachun. It's made from fermented rice and flavored with a bunch of herbs and namu fruit. While soju sometimes tastes a bit bitter and with a chemical flavor, this tastes like something that came straight from the ground. She wanted out. Want to know where I'm going next? Hit the subscribe button below for more adventurous videos around Korea and beyond. Thanks for watching. Bye.